viewers, and now to the debate that I'm sure you and I and all of us have been looking forward to. So I'm going to keep my intro very short. The pictures tell the story, and I want to tell you, I'm going to open up the phone lines, and in a few minutes, I'll be speaking to at least 4 of you tonight. 4 live callers on this next half an hour debate, which is dedicated to the COVIDiots of India, the people who want to be the charioteers of the third wave. And the people, once they've ensured that there is a third wave, will be the first to point fingers at Prime Minister Modi. Let's debate.
Watch this video from Mussoorie that has now gone viral. In this undated video, hundreds can be seen at Kempty Falls. No masks, no precautions, and no concern of the ongoing pandemic. These images are not restricted to one corner of India. Watch how in hill stations in Himachal Pradesh, from Manali to Shimla, revenge travel by COVIDiots has become the norm. Hear the Himachal Pradesh DGP on just how bad the situation has gotten.
जब से अनलॉक हुआ पिछले महीने से औसतन 18,500 गाड़ियां एंटर कर रही हैं हिमाचल प्रदेश में। साथ ही साथ जो वर्क फ्रॉम होम है वो अब चेंज हो गया वर्क फ्रॉम हिमाचल।
In Uttarakhand, regions like Dehradun and Nainital are crowded unabated. These COVIDiots have forgotten how 85 days ago India was reeling with an oxygen crisis and the second wave was at its peak. In Srinagar, watch how people thronged to gardens for picnics during a pandemic. No restrictions, no masks, no protocol, no checks and no accountability by the government to control it. Now look at how in Charminar, revenge tourism is on full blast even as Telangana records 731 COVID cases in the last 24 hours.
In the last 24 hours, we see that near about 700 COVID cases have been registered in the last 24 hours. But also at the same time, as we are here in Charminar area of Hyderabad, where many people still not wearing masks, not maintaining social distancing. Well, now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also had earlier stated that COVID is not yet gone. We have to still fight with COVID-19. And also, as the COVID cases are at a downfall, but also people need to make sure that they maintain social distancing and wear masks when they are moving out.
Amid these blatant COVID-19 violations, the Prime Minister has given a message to his new Council of Ministers for the people of India. And even Prime Minister has flagged certain videos and pictures that has been visible from the past few days, that how the people in the crowded places are violating the COVID norms. Neither they are following the social distancing nor they are wearing masks. He says such pictures are giving the sense of fear to us.
The Health Ministry has warned against revenge travel.
कि एक स्थाई पर जिसे एक टर्म भी बोली गई है रिवेंज ट्रैवल, कि लोग जो घर में बैठे थे, जो रेस्ट्रिक्शन का समय था, जब रेस्ट्रिक्शंस खोली गई तो कहीं पर एक अभिप्राय समाज में किसी वर्ग में यह है कि अगर रेस्ट्रिक्शंस खोल दी गई तो वायरस खत्म हो गया है। हम आप लोगों के द्वारा फिर से लोगों की दृष्टि में लाना चाहेंगे, वायरस या इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज यह अभी भी हमारे बीच में है। यह ऐसा एक माहौल क्रिएट करेगा जिसमें अब तक जो गेन इन टर्म्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट ऑफ कोविड जो हमने लिए हैं वह फिर से नलीफाई हो सकते हैं, वह फिर से हम उसको भूल के फिर हमें एक और चैलेंज का सामना करना पड़ सकता है।
But will the arrogant COVIDiots learn? And will the state governments pull up their socks to crack down on the COVIDiots that run the risk of a third wave?
सख्ती से कहा है कि सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन हो और जो होटलों में भी जो है वो 50% आरक्षण की व्यवस्था के तहत जो है बुकिंग करी जाए। उसके लिए हम जल्दी होटल एसोसिएशन की भी मीटिंग बुलाने वाले हैं।
It's time to say COVIDiots go home. Let's debate.